ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷನಾಗಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹಳೆ ಬಾಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಬಾಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳೆ ವೈನ್. ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್.
The appointment of Vijayendra Yediyurappa, the son of B.S. Yediyurappa, as the BJP State President of Karnataka has sparked a controversy among politicians of both BJP and Congress. While there are some politicians who are happy with the appointment, the others are not so pleased with this decision of the BJP High Command. Some senior BJP leaders like C.T. Ravi, ArvindBellad and C.N. Ashwath Narayan were eyeing this position, though Vijayendra, a young MLA, has seized it. The Congress has stated that this is an irony against the BJP's stand against Parivarvad and dynasty politics. D. Sudhakar, the in-charge minister, said that this appointment was new bottle, old wine. At Chitradurga, he said not to compare Vijayendra with D.K. Shivkumar. He added that his experience, patience and party organization were not suitable for him.
ಹೊಸ ಬಾಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳೆ ವೈನ್. ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅವ್ರಿಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅನುಭವ, ಅವ್ರಿಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 2018ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಕ್ಷವನ್ನು ಸಂಘಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಚುರುಕುಗೊಳಿಸಿದೆ. ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಧಿಕವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಹುಮತವನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರ. ಸೊ ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ನ ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಹೋಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Is ArvindBellad unhappy with this appointment? ArvindBellad avoided commenting on the appointment and never broke silence in Dharwad. He was seen avoiding the media and getting into another car. Bellad was earlier in the chief ministerial race and was upset with B.S. Yediyurappa. And now with the appointment of his son as the state president of the party, it seems to have ruffled some feathers. Meanwhile, Vijayendra has said that he will work alongside all the party leaders and take everyone into confidence ahead of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. He said that the goal is to win the maximum number of MPs ahead of the elections.
Lok Sabha elections, to strengthen or to win highest number of MPs from the state of Karnataka. So we are aware of our strengths as well as our weaknesses also. So aim is to cover entire state, not just one particular region, starting from Mumbai, Karnataka, Kalyan, Karnataka, Kittur, Karnataka, and Old Mysore region more importantly, and for coastal Karnataka and central Karnataka. So we want to ensure party has been strengthened in each and every corner of the state. It's not about Vijayendra, it's about the party. So as I told you earlier, I will take everybody, all the senior leaders into confidence. And as you are aware, we already won 25 Lok Sabha MPs. So we want to retain those 25 Lok Sabha MPs in the next parliament elections. Yesterday, I spoke to Honorable former Prime Minister Devagowda ji. I sought his blessings. I also spoke to H.D. Kumaraswamy ji. I'll meet him personally. Whereas other senior leaders also within the party, I will meet them in person. I'll go to their house, I'll meet them, and I'll try my best to take everybody along.
This move by the BJP isn't surprising. Earlier, Union Home Minister Amit Shah had praised Vijayendra and asked Yediyurappa to give the bouquet first to his son. The appointment has eyed a few senior leaders, but it remains to be seen whether this appointment will help BJP in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital to get the latest updates.